Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily manage your active status on LinkedIn so you can control who sees when you're online. Let's get started. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once the homepage appears, look in the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. This will open your profile page. Now scroll down until you see the settings option and tap on it. Inside the settings menu, find and select visibility. On the next page, scroll down again until you see Manage Active Status and tap to open it. Here you'll see 3 different choices. No one, which completely hides your online activity from everyone. Your Connections Only, which allows only people you're connected with to see when you're active, or All LinkedIn Members, which shows your status to everyone on LinkedIn. Take a moment to decide which option feels best for you. Simply tap the one you prefer, and it will save automatically. You can always come back to this page later if you change your mind. And that's all there is to it. Your LinkedIn active status is now set the way you want. If this guide helped you, give it a like, and subscribe for more quick and easy LinkedIn tips.